If you want to use Lexmark CS310 series drum chip, and then you have to learn this installation way. Firstly, open the front cover of the machine, and then open the top of the toner. After you remove these 4 cartridges, you can see the drum chip under. Then press the lock button on the side cover to open the side cover. Switch off the cable which contacts with the chip. Unscrew the 5 screws on the drum chip. The old drum chip can be taken out. Get a JIT new CS310 drum chip. Fit it into the slot, and then screw in 5 screws. Connect the cable and close the side cover. Then put it back in turn into the toner. Match the color of the drum. KMCY. Then close the top cover of the toner and the front cover. Replace the printer chip and the installation is complete. Below you can refer to JIT chip installation instruction. You can ask JIT any questions about printer cartridge toner chips. Welcome to the collection and attention.